This is chiller panel control panel unit, where you can see the PLC is installed here. The brand name is District Control and model is Eclipse. This first unit is the power unit, which is 24 volt DC. After that, if you see this, the model is ECY 1000, which is generally used for the communication. Communication means we can communicate with the Modbus or backnet. So by this we can communicate this controller with this device, this model ECY S1000. After this, there is universal input output card is put here. This is 8 universal input and 6 universal output card. After that, see, there is digital input card is placed here, which is ECY 16DI, and this one is HDR, which is relay unit. The whole configuration is done like this. So with the help of this device we can attach up to 12 cards. Okay, more than 300 input outputs we can connect with this controller, this communication unit. This is actually placed inside the chiller panel section. In chiller panel section, we are controlling different type of valves, temperatures, and the chiller pumps. All things are controlled by these controllers. Also, we will communicate this with the SCADA screen, where the graphical working can be seen. Also, one HMI is placed here for the operation. We can change the values from this HMI also. But if you talk about the remotely operation, we can do with the SCADA screen. So this is the complete chiller panel. You can see. It will be removed. Here you will find the relays which is placed. This is the transformer with 24 volt AC output, and this is the whole configuration of chiller panel. You can see different output, digital universal input outputs are placed here, downside, upside. Also the digital input outputs are placed. You can see like that with the HDOR. This is actually the relay unit. The connections has been done. So I will show you different units also. I will show you the chiller panel. This is the control unit for chiller panel.